Material science and engineering is devoted to studying and understanding the materials that we use to build our world. This is where the scientists and professors and students here devote their research. If you think about all the technology and material things you have around you, there's probably a material scientist behind developing what that thing is made of.
What is material science and engineering? We have the science part and we have the engineering part. The science portion is understanding the underlying physics, understanding how the atoms interact with each other, and understanding how the atoms are arranged. For the engineering part, it's all about how do we combine different elements from our periodic table to create a brand new product that is ultra durable or really great for the environment.
It used to be the materials we had were found materials. What is a found material? It's wood. We can go outside and cut it down. Or maybe it's clay that we find naturally occurring in the earth. But now we have the ability to design a material to do whatever you want. We're no longer limited based on what we can go outside and find in the environment. That is an amazing thing.
This is something we should be really in awe about. We can see atoms interacting together. We can see how they move. We can actually recreate our material on our computers. What's really special about Alfred University, you can immediately hit the ground running doing research. You become an expert at atomistic simulations of brand new materials.
The things on the smaller scale are really what control what happens on the bigger scale. There's a lot more beyond what the eye can see, and that's what I want to know, and that's what I want to share with people. Right now, the ceramics project that I'm working on, we have a coding portion where someone is modeling the materials we're making. We have a materials processing section where we're actually making the raw materials from powder. And we have a printing section where we're taking those materials we make and 3D printing them on a prototype scale. Collaborating on a team like that is kind of the magical part of engineering. You're one day measuring out powders in the lab, and the next day there's a launch happening into space and the material that you designed is on the front of it.
Material science welcomes people of all paths. They welcome people who are passionate about physics. It welcomes the artists who are so interested in building together. It welcomed builders and thinkers, people who are just interested in pursuing what a material of the future looks like.